The 2007 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydro-formed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, trip computer, power windows, CD player, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, intermittent wipers, chrome wheels, variable speed, intermittent wipers, cloth seats, power outlet. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.